Since its launch in 2003, UBIC has continued to grow as the e-discovery pioneer in Japan. Today, I'd like to present our vision for growth over the next 10 years. That vision revolves around three key concepts. The first is to thrive on a global basis, actively exploiting opportunities for success. The second is to provide superior litigation support by the world's leading experts. And lastly, to establish and enhance our technological superiority. UBIC moved into the American market by establishing a subsidiary in December 2007. We've worked hard to establish ourselves in the United States ever since, listing on NASDAQ in May 2013. In addition to the U.S., UBIC now has subsidiaries in Korea and Taiwan, while setting up operating bases in the United Kingdom and Hong Kong. And we plan to move even more aggressively in the future to become a truly global player. To augment our push overseas, we're developing a global cloud platform to handle our clients' data, supporting global enterprises and firms preparing to go global in real time. That is our mission and challenge. There's more to UBIC's global strategy than merely adding offices. Our aim is to support global enterprises through a dynamic and robust range of services provided on demand on a worldwide basis. The e-discovery process is especially difficult for companies operating in Asia, since they must rely on languages, character codes, and applications unique to the region, a hurdle most e-discovery service providers have yet to overcome. UBIC already has a system and specialists in place, providing a full range of e-discovery support services to cope with Asia-specific issues. We deliver optimal e-discovery processing services by deploying task forces manned by top experts on a global basis. UBIC offers LitIView, an e-discovery support system developed and refined over the past 10 years. Some 50 UBIC engineers are working on upgrades to the system on a daily basis. And since we developed LitIView ourselves, rather than merely localizing a foreign product, we are quick to respond and resolve any systems issue ourselves. We also have our own R&D division, working not only to make the e-discovery process even more efficient, but to develop new technologies as well. We've filed some 20 patents to date, applications that allow us to constantly upgrade LitIView. Take our predictive coding, for example. Based on its machine learning technology, predictive coding uses sample documents reviewed by people to automatically identify documents with the highest probability of case relevance by scoring the set of documents that haven't been reviewed. In this graph, the y-axis shows the probability of documents being relevant, while the x-axis shows the extent of review completion. Documents with the highest predictive coding scores get reviewed first. As the graph clearly shows, by the time 50% of the review process is completed, 100% of the hot documents will have been reviewed. By 75% review completion, 100% of the possible hot documents will have been reviewed. The upshot, predictive coding delivers a significant savings in time in the review process. This chart compares the number of documents that would have been reviewed by people versus technology assistant review in a 1-hour time frame. As you can see, predictive coding makes it possible to increase performance speed by over 4,000 times. Predictive coding is just one of the many technologies we've developed. but it followed the same development cycle as the other applications we've developed. Innovate new technology, preserve the rights to it, and then improve it as necessary. This cycle has proven successful for us over the years, and our aim is to accelerate it to establish and enhance our technological superiority in the industry. 10 years have passed since UBIC's launch, and our commitment to tackling new challenges and becoming the best in the e-discovery business remains as robust and enthusiastic as ever. Keep us in mind, you won't be disappointed.